Hey, this is Jerome, founder of CompleteAITraining.com. Here's a quick walkthrough of the platform. To get started, go to My Courses, then My AI Learning Plan. On this page, type your email, your name and job function, your company name if you'd like, and your level. Then move on to the next page, where you select what you want to use AI for. For example, you might want to use it in your job and to create images, automate workflows, generate voice avatars, or learn the fundamentals. After that, you click Submit, and it'll create a fully personalized AI learning plan for you. This process takes just 1 to 2 minutes. You can either stay on the screen or we will send it to your email. After that, you'll land on a page with all the courses relevant for you. In this example, I selected HR Professional, so I get HR-related courses, along with courses on image creation and workflow automation. For the ones you like, mark them as interested. Once you complete a course, mark it as completed. If you're not interested, mark it as not interested. You can also add a course to your favorites, and it will automatically show up in your favorites list. Besides the My Learning Plan feature, you can use the search bar or menu to easily find your job. For example, if you're a communications manager, just type it into the search bar and you'll be directed to your dedicated job page. Here you'll find the latest prompt courses, relevant video courses, and links to the best AI tools, books, and certification programs specifically selected for your role. If you're interested in certifications, you'll find a full overview in the menu. Click on one that's relevant and we'll guide you to the courses you need to complete it. Once earned, certifications can always be found under My Certifications in your account menu. From there, you can easily link them to your LinkedIn profile and show the world that you're an AI expert in your field. That's not all. Complete AI gives you access to over 6,500 AI tools, all reviewed, categorized, and ready to help you get better results faster. When you like a tool, add them to your favorites so you can easily keep track. Also, be sure to check out the AI books and custom GPT sections to learn more and find GPT assistants that fit your needs. That's a quick walkthrough to get you started. Feel free to scroll around, explore, and go deeper into what's possible. If you ever have questions, we're just one message away. You'll always stay up to date on AI while building your resume and LinkedIn profile with new certifications. We frequently update courses, certifications, prompts, and tools, so you're always ahead without needing to chase down information yourself. So jump in, pick a course that excites you, and start applying what you learned today. You're not just keeping up with AI, you're leading with it. Welcome to Complete AI.